A lot of us are asking, is hip hop, rap music still relevant? Possibly so, but a lot of us can feel that something is wrong right now. And this ain't about Drake or Kendrick or battle raps. This is about the culture and how we feel there's a shift going on right now in rap music. I think we can all admit that there's a lot of rappers who have fallen off, who had this big buzz and, had all the hype, and they were featured on all the blogs and all the articles, and hip hop articles were writing about them. You know what I'm saying? They had their little clips, their little viral moments featured on streamers and podcasts. And then what happened? They fell off. I feel that the new generation of these rappers are being controlled by the corporations in the industry, and they're just doing what their bosses think is what's cool, or maybe not even that. Maybe they're just being exploited, because at this point we all know that wearing dresses and painting your nails and carrying purses is not hip-hop culture. We can all agree to that know what hip-hop is all about. Albums drop every week, but nothing sticks. Beef goes viral, but the music fades out, other than the Kendrick Lamar and Drake beef. But the artists are more visible than ever, yet somehow seem less impactful.
The Grammy goes to Not Like Us, Kendrick.
And speaking of the Drake and Kendrick battle that I can't even believe that people are still talking about, but I guess I get it because Kendrick is up for a few Grammys, and we all know that he's most likely going to win. I would not be surprised. If you guys want to go ahead and take my prediction right now, I would not be surprised if Kendrick Lamar wins Best Album of the Year. A lot of people have been saying that hip hop wasn't on the charts. People weren't listening to it. People weren't streaming it as much. They weren't downloading it as much. But then, you got the Grammys that comes up and says, oh, look at all these Grammy nominations that we're giving to hip hop. But we all know, I think by now, that the Grammys are controlled by the major record companies, and they put that out there so they can sell more records. I think we all know that by now. But I don't know. Some people just seem to act like they still don't understand this dynamic. So I don't know if I can really believe all the things that the Grammys or the Oscars or the Golden Globes or the Emmys say. Even though I do appreciate them looking out and giving awards. And I think that we can all see that now, with what's going on now with the culture shift from the record labels to the internet. But you know what I'm saying? This ain't an artist problem. This is an industry problem. And the industry trains these artists to just chase relevancy instead of, building legacy. Like, remember there was a time where before the record companies, they used to want to build the whole catalog and just make you dope and make you build that legacy. Whereas nowadays, it just seems like they don't mind if it's a one-hit wonder, like hit or miss. It's all good, whatever. We just want to chase the relevancy, chase the content, chase the algorithm. That's what these artists are doing now. They ain't really putting out music that's going to last. They're just putting out content. But yeah, man, the record labels had to change the format. Whereas I remember before, you had to take your demo to a record company and have the A&R department or whoever was working the A&R at the time, they had to decide whether your music was tight or not. And half of these dudes don't even know what real hip hop was. Half of these dudes came from trust fund babies or Nepo babies or got the job because they sucked up. I want to be cool. This is how Diddy got started. And you see, this is also the issue with hip hop right now, is that a lot of these rappers are all just about attention. They're all about chasing the algorithm. They're not really about mastering the artistry. You see, and fans just start to feel exhausted. They feel burnt out. the culture just doesn't feel real. You know, like how much you try to fake the culture, the truth will always prevail. We've seen this happen time and time again. You can never hide the truth. And these people out here, even though they try to disguise the elements of hip hop and they put these certain rappers in place and say, oh, yo, these are rappers and this is what hip hop is. And we all know that study this for real and that are about this for real. We all know, nah, that ain't real hip hop. That ain't real hip hop. I'll never consider a man in a dress Kid Cudi hip hop ever. You could go ahead and wear a dress. Don't let me get you wrong, because I remember Kid Cudi went on Twitter and he started saying, oh, well, this was his expression. That's what he went on to say, and that's fine, man. You can express yourself all you want, but let me say this. Don't say that that's part of the culture. That ain't part of the culture, homie. You dressing up in a dress. And these types of dudes, I think, are being brainwashed by the corporate industry. These guys that really don't know anything about the culture, or maybe some of them do, as I said previously, but they don't care. They don't care to promote the culture or promote the realness of the culture. Come in and do what they say and say, hey, you know what? I think it would be really bold if you wore a dress. Show everybody how different you are. How stupid is that? Can we not all agree? I mean, now looking back, can we all not agree that that was stupid? Yeah, man. This is the reason why rap has been on the downfall. It's because we have let some people into the culture who absolutely do not give an F. So yeah, we'll see where rap goes right now for the future. But from what I'm seeing right now, I believe that it's all independent. Rap right now needs to go back to the underground. So we'll see what happens with all that. But from what I'm saying right now, rap, is it still relevant? We'll see. We know that these other genres of music are taking over right now, and we'll definitely see how the Grammys go. We'll see.